how to use Home AI beginner's tutorial. So once you pretty much open it up, you will be led to something like this. Welcome to Home AI. Instantly redesign your home with AI, and just go ahead. If you want to go started, of course, press on the get started option. You can share your live by giving them a review, so you can continue if you'd like to do so. But anyways, once you've done with that, first you'll be led to options and payment methods or subscriptions. You can choose multiple more features, add free experience, ultimate design renders, and faster rendering. Over here there are offers you can take, but you can go ahead and always just choose the free trial if you want to go ahead and try it. But if you don't want any, just go to the top right corner and press an X, which over here to go for the free version. So you can get started with Home AI by choosing your smart home ecosystem. So select a central platform to manage your device, which popular options do include Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or your Apple Home Kit. So you can start with essential smart devices. Now you can use smart speakers that control other devices, play music, and answer queries, smart lights that automate lighting schedules and control brightness of color, smart thermostats that optimize heating and cooling for energy efficiency, and smart plugs that turn traditional appliances into smart devices. But anyways, once all of that is done, just go ahead and open the app. Just go ahead and take a clear photo of your room you wish to redesign and ensure good lighting for optimal results. So you can do this over here in the create option where you can capture your space. Select a design style from over 10 interior design styles such as modern, minimalist, or zen to apply to your room. So generate design concepts and the app will process your photo and present AI generated design concept tailored to your selected style. Customize your design, adjust elements like furniture, color schemes, and decor to better fit your preference. So over here we have these styles, so you can just go ahead and choose whichever you'd like. You can also go ahead and choose your palettes if you'd like to do so. Just go ahead and continue and it will process in its own AI version. So you're gonna have to wait for a bit because rendering does take some time. But once it's done, you can save your favorite designs and share them with friends, family, or professionals for feedback. So you can use high quality photos to ensure your room photos are well lit and clear to allow the AI to accurately interpret the space. Now you can experiment with styles, so don't hesitate to try different design styles to see various possibilities for your space and utilize recommendations. So the app provides suggestions for furniture and decor that complement your chosen style, aiding in cohesive design planning. Also, if you want to go ahead and regenerate the same thing, just go ahead and do so, as there is a feature where you can just press on a regenerate button. But anyways, that's pretty much the most basics that you can go ahead and start with by using Home AI. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.